bike?
No, it's a car.
Oh, he was in third gear or something.
Sitting in my lights, mate.
No, not just.
Chipbox.
In third gear. He's got the.
He's got B&Q in the central console.
B&Q stopping their gearbox.
Oh my god.
Watch out. Fucking hell.
Oh shit.
Tendency to go, you're the devil incarnate. No, you're not. You're an average manager. Oh, you're a world beater. No, you're not. You're an average manager. It's neither end of the spectrum. It's in the middle. And what we've got...
Ooh, okay, Garmin.
World-class part.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Clutch down and then brake, isn't it? Because you're in first gear. If you're in second gear, slow down first. Remember we talked about this, isn't it? Higher speed, slow down first. Slower speed, you can clutch down first. More gas. Second gear. Check your left mirror, more exit indicate left, and look at your exit more to your left side. Yes. And the gas indicate, going straight. That's it. More gas. More gas. Never to go. Check your right mirror, matches into one lane. Crazy guy, isn't he? Yeah. And he's on his phone as well. Flash down, first gear. What is that for?
Like I noticed that, so because sometimes I did it once and then I was like, wait, no, that was right.
You did it too early.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, somebody's blocked. That's a nice stop though. Nice stop from the police.
Yeah, I was going to say right in front of there.
And it was very sudden, isn't it?
Yeah.
Has not achieved communism, has largely reversed most of its socialist policies since the mid-1970s, and has been relatively unsuccessful. In fact, the overwhelming majority of all Chinese failures in the last 50 years can be attributed to factors outside the actions of the Chinese Communist Party, or the CCP as they're sometimes called. Rather, the CCP is actually responsible for most of China's problems, as they are guilty of numerous sins. Sins including genocide, oppression of their own people, forced organ harvesting of political dissenters, political repression, completely unnecessary market regulations, severe government corruption, sometimes even full suppression of free speech, no real free press, so to speak, religious persecution, as well as spying on their own citizens and people abroad even, with the usual extensive internet censorship, where they actually will punish their own citizens for just criticizing the CCP. But speaking of bad actors spying on what they're doing, the sponsor is private internet access. A lot of people, unfortunately, still don't quite understand why you need a VPN or
Oh, you mean your car?
My car.
I thought you meant you're talking about mine.
My car has great gas mileage.
Hello. Good God.
So had her hand over now. And the next thing I decided to start doing.
Oh my. God, you fucking idiot.